So everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at Hims and Hers Health Inc. This is a stock which is down by 5% today, and over the past week is up by nearly 2%. The past month over here is very positive with 12, almost 13% gains, and the past 6 months are up by 46, almost 47%. With all of that, the question begs, what are we looking to see into the next couple of days? Over the course of this relatively short video, I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on what we are seeing and what we may see coming into the future. If it sounds like a good watch, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video. Please make sure to subscribe. It does help me out a lot. At the same time, remember, I am not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice. Also, I must say there is a Patreon page that I've just launched. The link is in the description and the comment section if you're interested in learning about the stocks that I am paying attention to. So coming back here and looking at this one, what stands out to me at the moment? Well, of course, we've seen the stock head up to levels at $55, almost $56, bouncing off of a former level of support that we have seen here, and now just simply heading down. We just did not have the strength to maintain this. You've seen resistance at these levels too in the past. And with all of that being said, where are we looking to go? Well, I think the decline that we've seen today, it does spark questions. We've seen this decline, you've seen the stock come back ever so slightly as things come into today, but what is the likelihood going forwards? What is my personal opinion? Well, I think we're looking for a support pretty soon. I think the most critical levels in my mind that we're looking at here are going to be around about 47.50. 47.50 historically has held up very well for this stock on occasions 1, on occasions 2, and on occasions 3. If we see this hold up yet again, I think things could be very impressive and very promising into the near future. However, if we don't see that, I think there's every possibility that things could of course get worse. If we see those levels break, I think you could be looking for a push even further to the downside, which could take us as low potentially as 44.30, or maybe even lower than that to our most recent and deepest level of support, which we saw around about $41, $42, as you can see here, right? About $41. So this is why the current level, in my opinion, is a very significant one to pay attention to, because if we aren't able to hold this, we very much do have the realistic question in our minds of, are we going to see this just drop and drop and drop quite a lot further? At the same time, you can make an argument that into the late part of today, we've seen the stock come back ever so slightly with that green momentum, but we are down by a further 1% in the after hours. So what are we looking to the upside? Well, it's really very basic here. We're looking to break above $51. We're struggling to do that over today's trading session. We've had a lot of difficulty at this point here, and arguably to some degree in this period too. So breaking above and staying above $51 is going to be a very critical thing to do into the next couple of days. Then you could be looking for a push up to $52.50. If you see that, you could be looking to, of course, go back onto $54.70 with an ultimate push onto $55. I think it very much depends. I think there is a possibility, if I'm honest, that this level may break. If we break to the downside, we could very much be going to test or retest the $47, $48 range. That wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. I don't think that would be as concerning as many people think, but I do think it is a possibility into the next few days. So I do indeed think this is going to be a very interesting period. Ultimately, towards the downside, I don't want to see this one break much below $47. Towards the upside, again, if we can begin to push into the $51.50, $52 range, then you could be looking at a potential push higher, retesting those recent levels. But a lot is to play for in this channel. I think it's going to be a very interesting one to watch out for. I would love to hear you guys' thoughts in the comment section. It's a very interesting period, as I say. It's going to be really exciting to see what plays out here. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right, guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here, guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks. But do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment, guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from 1450 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.